Hello and welcome to the Blackie Bushcraft channel. Today I wanted to do a response video for Blackie Thomas from Shaman's Forge Woodscraft. A while back I tagged Blackie in an 8 questions 5 tag video. You can see it here on my channel. So I tagged him and Blackie was kind enough to respond, and I really appreciated that. And when he responded, he threw a question back to me, and the question was, why did you start YouTube? It's an excellent question, and one that I'm happy to answer for the 3rd time. And the reason I say the 3rd time is, Blackie, I filmed this video for you on 2 other occasions, and for one reason or another it either didn't turn out or something happened to interrupt the process or whatever, and so this will be my 3rd shot at answering this question, hence why it's taken so long to get a response out. Anyway, Blackie is a fantastic YouTuber, one of my favorites. If you're not familiar with his channel, Blackie Thomas, look it up. You need to subscribe and catch up on his vids. Most of you probably already do. So anyway, why did I start YouTube? Back in about 2008 or 9, I got really big into watching YouTube videos, and I started my own channel as a way to network with other people who were doing what I was interested in doing. And I was big into the woodsman type thing. So in other words, bushcraft, woodscraft, camping, all that stuff has been something I've done throughout my life. And I was also big into survival and even kind of the preparedness mindset, all of that kind of stuff. Really, ultimately, what sums up me as a person is self-reliance. I really want to be a self-reliant person. I want to be self-reliant in the woods, understand how to come out here with minimal things and be able to do what it is I want to do, take care of myself, provide for myself on a basic level. Number 2, I want to be self-reliant in my day-to-day life. I want to be able to provide for myself, for my family. I don't want to have to ask for help or rely on anybody else for anything. Even where it comes to things like repairs around my house, I'm so stubborn, I will sit there and go through a lot of trouble to try to fix a faucet that I don't know how to fix and try to learn how to do it. And you know, I could easily pay somebody $75 and come fix it, but I want to know how to do it. So I'm that type of person. I tend to try to figure things out on my own. With that said, YouTube was a great place for me because I could come and learn skills from people who knew more than myself. And I wanted to connect with other people who were like-minded with myself. People who know things I don't know, number 1, but also I wanted to share with others who didn't know the things that maybe I did. Once in a while I'll have an idea that might be something new or different, or something that people haven't really posted, and so I like to have the opportunity to share those things because I've gained so much from other people like Blackie and Dave and so many others. I could go down the list, and this gives me an opportunity to share back with others. And I get a lot of people telling me these days, thank you so much for these videos, I learned something from you, and that's huge to me. That makes all of this well worthwhile. At the end of the day, I don't do this to get famous or for notoriety. It's really a learning process, and it's also a chance for me to share. And in the end result of my channel, the videos that I have on a hard drive and the videos that I've uploaded to YouTube are a journal of where I started and where I'm at, and hopefully it will continue on to where I'm going. Sometimes I'll go back and watch a video I filmed 3 years ago and be like, wow, I really didn't know what I was doing right there, because I've learned since then. So it's a way for me to go back and see where I came from, and also gives me some perspective of what I've learned and how far I've come. And sometimes I'll go back and watch an old video and think, wow, I forgot that I even used to do that. Why did I stop doing that? So it's a way for me to, it's almost like a journal, a notebook that I can go back and refer to and be able to remember and retain knowledge over time. And even into the future, I look at my YouTube channel and my hard drive full of videos as a reference that even I can pass on to my child. So in other words, later on, even if I'm not here, she will have a documentation of things that I've learned, and hopefully she can take on that same knowledge and carry it with her and pass it on from generation to generation. So for me, YouTube, to sum it all up, is a way to share and connect with like-minded people. It's a way to document what I'm doing and journalize it so that I'll have it indefinitely into the future. And at the same time, I enjoy doing it. It's fun. It's fun for me to come out here and do all these things, but at the end of the day, I have something that I can go back and refer to and see. It's just a documentation of what I did. if I come out here in the woods and cook and do all that stuff, you know, one day maybe I forget those things, but by videoing it and having a video of that day, I have a permanent memory that I can go back, reflect on, and enjoy, and again, pass on. So that's a long and roundabout answer, but anyway, hopefully it gives you an idea why I'm here on YouTube, to share, to learn, and to journalize and document my journey as a woodsman, bushcrafter, whatever you want to call it. And ultimately, the benefit has been that I've connected with some wonderful people who I consider friends, brothers, sisters in this trade or in this field. And I'm very thankful that I started it, and I continue to do it and plan to continue to do it indefinitely into the future. So once again, Blackie, thank you for the tag. I look forward to talking to you guys with another video again very soon. Again, if you haven't seen Blackie's channel, Blackie Thomas, go and check him out. You'll definitely be glad you did. Until the next video, take care, and God bless.